Hey Romain, this is Florian. I want to take this opportunity to show you how to create a new designer and feature it here in the navigation, and then also how to associate a product with that designer label. So first step, let's log into the control panel, and I went ahead and customized the control panel a little bit here, and the starting screen here is the e-commerce um, page, and obviously this is customizable. We can set a different intro page here, and also worth noting, we can customize per user group. So maybe if you personally log in, you want to see the e-commerce section, your sales, maybe Google Analytics, and if maybe your editor logs in, he might want to see products or pending requests or something. So that can be set here. Based on our conversation yesterday, you mentioned a few things that you need done in the control panel, and one was the designer. That's just the example one that you gave me to do the how to add a new designer. And then I also went ahead and added a couple of more tabs up here that we talked about yesterday. The member section, give different privileges to your groups, or register a new one, or view all of them, and then obviously adding and editing your products, and the e-commerce section. Those are just four. I mean, obviously we can customize this any way you need. I just thought those four would be nice to have up here to show you. So let me go ahead and publish a new designer here. So the title is just the name of the designer, and then URL title you can customize so that your URL structure looks different. Maybe we want to just call this 2012 instead. The next fields you requested were the brand logo, which we can browse the server, see if maybe we already uploaded the 2812 logo, but we have not. So let me grab it from my computer real fast. Let's see, desktop, 2812. Okay. Upload gives us an option to edit it, but we're fine like this. Brand photo, same deal. We can see maybe it's here. We can also do, later on there will be a lot of images, so we can just do a search here and it automatically filters. But let's upload a new one. Notice the size here. That's 1200 by 1600. Really a large dimension. I'm going to upload this. It's going to take a while because it's a big photo. I could edit right on this screen here, but I'm going to say no because I have the system do it automatically. Brand description. You have your standard WYSIWYG here, which also right now just use it the very minimal basic settings up here. We can, depending on which field and depending on who is editing and for which section, we can customize this and add much more or much less depending on what you need. You also mentioned a way of tagging this designer. Maybe notice that this is popular or trendy, so I gave it this category group here and make this a popular designer. And then we're trying to have this particular designer show up as featured here, so we can just tag it like this. The next step you requested was the SEO function, which I added a new tab up here, or we can also just add those fields below depending on how you prefer. So the SEO title, I'm just making this up. Actually, let me. Do this, and then when we're happy with it, we can just go submit, and it's in the system. Let's test. Let's test to see. Maybe refresh. And okay, here it is. And you notice my logo I had automatically resized to fit this dimension here, and also my designer photo here I had automatically be cropped and resized to fit this space here that used to be huge. That's a 1600. The original is much bigger. So brand name, brand description, but no product. So let's see about associating a product with this new designer. Product, edit products will give me a list of all my products, and we're gonna this t-shirt here. This t-shirt we're gonna make 2812 brand. And here you're gonna get a little glimpse of what the actual product section looks like, also with the price and inventory fields, and all the different photo uploads, color options, and so forth. And there obviously is more going on here than in the designer section. Submit, refresh, and we should have the t-shirt associated with the 2812 brand. So that was a short overview of how you go about adding a new designer, and how your control panel can look when it's just customized just a little bit to fit your needs. So hopefully that shows you that, gives you more of an idea of what's possible with native Expression Engine here, and we can move forward with this. So let me know what questions you have. All right. Thank you.